Is that everything?
I believe so. We got 2 more 45.
Oh, really?
Oh, yeah. We are about to go drive to get to a flip. It's about 40 minutes, buying 2,000 pounds worth of weight. He's selling it for $1,000. We're gonna try to flip it, make at least 12 to 1,300 bucks profit on this one.
You got the cash?
I brought 14 if you want to buy more.
Okay.
Because he has long dumbbells too.
Sweet. All right, that's clean, everybody. This is Flip. We're out of here to Waynesville. Dang, those are big raindrops. Dang, look how big it is. It's like moist hail. Fine. That's based.
Almost there, about 15 minutes out. Got the cash in hand. It's been a fun trip. Bad drivers, but we're almost there. Gonna make a pretty penny and we'll move on, try to find some other deals.
Oh yeah, just wait till we get there. 2,000 pounds ready to be tugged on our backs. You want to grab these 90s? Or let's just grab all the small weights first. I'll keep carrying them if you want to start moving them up. You okay if I record us getting the weights?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
I'll take care of it. I don't see you. Sounds good.
And I got 45 minutes.
45? That's not bad at all. Yeah, when the hurricane happened, we carried a water tote full. It's like 2,300.
Oh, yeah, you're good.
Yeah, it handled it fine.
Don't even weigh that much. Over 2,000.
Yeah. We tried to make sure we were good before we got here. I'll sort it out a little bit. It's a lot of weight. Dang. Grab the 100 soon. Oh. Dang, take a little breather. Ooh. Getting winded just moving. You know why? It's easy money. Because nobody wants to move this much weight. We're doing it clean. Let's go.
Yep, all that's left for the fun ones.
We'll see if we can figure it out. If not, then we'll just leave it. Let's go.
Just grab one by yourself. I'll just go one by one.
Fine. You first set up there?
Fun?
On my back.
My back hurts more than yours, bro.
What's that specimen?
Oh, I did golf.
Oh. These little 5-pounders. Let's keep going. Okay. No. Definitely not.
I can carry.
Don't strain yourself. I don't have enough energy to shoulder it. I need to take a breather. Almost done.
Good pump, though.
Yeah. We'll definitely take these barbells, the rubber plates. No, this one too.
It's a trap bar.
2,000 pounds.
Yeah. Carried out 2,000 pounds.
That's what real men do right there.
Shoulder is honestly much easier. Got it?
You wanna?
Lowering it?
Yes. A little bit.
Sell these for 50 cents a pound.
50 cents a pound?
It's cheap.
You might have to take some 45 off.
Walmart's the cheapest I found online, and they're 60.
60 cents.
Some of them are in better shape than others, but even the ones that are missing a little piece, all this other stuff ain't coming off.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, you'll never find a deal that good. So
Yeah.
20 bucks a piece for. I'm keeping all those.
Okay.
But those, these,
What about this?
weight tree.
It will come with? No? I would take the weight tree. We could
Yeah.
throw it on the back.
Well, I guess. How
Yeah.
much? We're gonna need a calculator.
Have another weight.
Oh my gosh.
Pull up. Step down, pull up.
That's impressive.
Yeah, just step it down.
Don't hurt yourself. No. I'm afraid for him. Okay. All right, come on down.
No, you did good.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
He don't ever do that. I'll tell you that right now.
These things are,
I should have shouldered it. I carried that like nothing.
What else do we need?
Plates.
Let's get that weight tree as well. We don't need the rack.
I'm not trying to get the rig.
We can throw the weight tree back here. You know how quick those things sell? Is that all the dumbbells?
the easy curl bars go for around 70, 60 is the cheapest I've seen them.
Yeah.
20 bucks a piece.
Okay.
It's cheap if you want them.
Yeah. We could calculate this.
That's a trap bar.
Okay.
Those go for about 90 bucks. Walmart's pretty much the cheapest you find anything.
Okay.
So 90 bucks. I don't need it, man. 20 bucks for it too if you want.
Okay.
That'd be
So-
60 bucks for all 3 bars.
Okay.
So 20 bucks a pop is 45.
Yeah.
Yeah. And the weight tree?
60.
You'll never find rubber coated 45s cheaper than that, I promise.
Oh yeah, I believe you. That's 140.
Those, yeah, I think it's 200 total.
180, 200.
Okay.
All right.
What about the
Plus, you want the
20, 40, 60? That 260, right?
Yeah, 260.
400 right there.
Here. I was bringing extra for the long one.
Yeah, 260,
260? You
Yeah.
got 300?
40.
All right.
Perfect. All right, let's grab 20 bucks for it.
Yeah.
Alex, give him a 20. We'll take it.
Still, I paid like $100 a piece for those weight trees.
Hey, all right, we'll be right back. We can't fit the dumbbell rack.
Yeah.
We'll just leave it.
big machines, and each one does one body part.
Oh, it's like the like chest and tries and stuff like that. Oh, okay. Is that everything?
I believe so. I got 2 more 45.
Oh, really? Oh, yeah.
Thanks, man. I appreciate
you
it.
guys, man. God bless.
God bless you too. Dang, dude.
Do you want to put a strap right here?
Why?
Nothing falls.
No, we're gonna go slow, dude. Trust me.
Okay, well, let's make a wall.
Yeah. Can you throw that over there?
This?
Yeah, I'll have it. Yes.
Let's make a wall over here.
Oh.
Close that firmer.
Okay. Close it firmer. That's not going nowhere, dude. Okay. All right, guys, got everything loaded up. This is a crazy amount of stuff. I don't want those buckets to fly out. Are we good? All right, man. You take care.
So you like my deal?
Yeah.
This must have been over probably close to 25 to 3,000 pounds we just got.
Oh my gosh.
And then we got at least 300 pounds of plates.
Dang, he threw them in for 50 cents on the dollar.
It's beautiful.
All right, guys. Wish us a safe drive home. May God protect us. Oh, we'll see you when we get there.
Let's go.
Clean and flip out. We are driving. So far, so good.
People are bad at driving.
Yes, they are. But we are going 10 under the speed limit because I'm pretty sure one big bump will destroy us. So we got to go very slow. So let's do it. Do it clean.
Yes, sir.
Hit this bump nice and easy. Okay, good job. We made it home. That's a lot of weight.
All right, back it up, Ford.
I don't know.
What is that?
That's hail?
Yeah, dude.
Bro, right when I got my car out.
It's not that bad.
Ah, you try.
I did. No way, dude. What did you do?
We'll put the weights over there. The plates, I mean. Stack them up.
Because my back hurts. Wash them.
A little bit.
Things actually fell over. Oh.
These are kind of messed up.
Let me count. 900 pounds. And we got it for $20, so that's like 40 cents a pound. I want to add all these up. Thankfully we loaded all the heavy stuff in the front. That was smart. Look how expensive these are. And we've never had an entire set of dumbbells. 2,150 pounds.
Yeah.
He said brand new this would sell for $3K. No.
More?
we're missing 2. Alright, we got dumbbells 5 to 100. Gave us a good deal on barbells. Hacksaw plate holder. $20 a plate for 45 pounds.
$20 a pound.
Tired.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Alright guys, we'll do the math. How much all this is worth, what we got it for, how long it took us to load it, and how calloused up our hands are. Thanks for watching.